Yes, there are flange designs that accommodate pipes with unusual shapes or damage. When dealing with non-standard or damaged pipes, start by assessing the pipe geometry and material because that determines compatible flange options and sealing methods. For oval, flattened, or irregular cross-sections, a split-ring flange can clamp around the existing profile and compress a gasket to form a seal without full pipe replacement. Fit it by matching the ring inner contour to the pipe and tighten gradually and evenly to avoid crushing. For pipes with localized damage, consider a repair flange that uses a sleeve or patch plate that overlaps the defect and is bolted to the sound pipe sections, while a resilient gasket spans the irregular area. Ensure the repair length meets the pipe code or manufacturer guidance to carry pressure safely. Adjustable or universal flanges use segmented or conical elements that you compress to conform to an odd profile while maintaining bolt circle alignment. When installing these, measure the bolt spacing on the mating component and select a model that allows incremental adjustment and uses a high compression gasket material like neoprene or fluorocarbon for uneven contact. For corroded or thin wall pipes, consider reinforcing the pipe with an internal sleeve or clamp collar before fitting a flange to prevent extrusion or blowout under pressure. The sleeve should be fabricated from compatible metal and bonded or mechanically secured according to pressure class. Always verify pressure rating and chemical compatibility against system operating conditions and consult manufacturer specifications for torque sequences and gasket selection to avoid leakage or premature failure. If uncertainty remains, take dimensional field templates and photos to suppliers or a fabricator who can recommend a custom solution or machined flange that matches the exact contour. Common mistakes include using a standard flat flange on an irregular pipe, which leads to poor sealing and leaks. Fix this by selecting a clamp style, split ring, or adjustable flange that conforms to the pipe shape and use an appropriate gasket. Another error is underestimating the need for reinforcement on thin or damaged pipe, which can cause flange pull-through. Address that by installing an internal sleeve or external backing plate and follow recommended bolt torque patterns. A third issue is mismatching materials or gasket chemistry that results in rapid corrosion or swelling. Prevent this by confirming material compatibility with fluids and temperatures and choosing gasket compounds rated for those conditions. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors suited to unusual pipe flange and repair needs, and we connect contractors seeking work on specialty retrofit and repair jobs. We also host a discussion community where we share field photos, installation tips, and vendor leads so our members can learn and collaborate on odd setups.